Namaskar. On behalf of the Government of West Bengal, on behalf of West Bengal HITCO, I invite all entrepreneurs, all investors to come and invest in the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub. It was earlier called IT Hub, but now we are calling it a Tech Hub, and we want not only tech companies from the IT sector, but also from, let us say, biotech sector, genetic engineering, and all other fields that use emerging technologies to come and consider setting up their establishment here. We are also encouraging research and development units, startups, and therefore the plot sizes have been made in various shapes. Very close to the Bengal Silicon Valley Hub, which was earlier designed as the diplomatic enclave. It was meant for the diplomats of various countries, but then the government of West Bengal thought that it's more necessary to invite tech companies, and so this has been built, the Eco Park with its great greens very close by, great eateries very close by, including the new coffee house, and there is the metro railway station and the metro railway line, which is also very close, not to say about its closeness of the airport. And to top it all, the land and the plot prices over there are being given at a very affordable rate so that startups and other investors can find it easy. Already a large number of people have shown interest. Many have also taken plots, and though I cannot take names here, I can talk about very well-known companies setting up their data centers and other tech ideas over here. I can say in passing that Kolkata, and especially the Silicon Tech Hub, is ideally located in these days after the coronavirus of having data centers in this area, and we are trying to say that Kolkata is ideally suited for being the data capital center of Eastern India. I welcome you to come, and the government has made the online process recently, and we will presently show you how to apply without any hassles, and it is just like ordering your food. So please come. There is a friendly government, there is a helpline, there is a WhatsApp, there is email, and we are all there to help you, and do not please hesitate to therefore get in touch with us. I once again invite you all to come and invest in the Bengal IT and Tech Hub. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. Welcome to the YouTube channel of WB HITCO. To know all details about the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub, that is, who are eligible to apply, what is the application process, what is the payment process, please watch the entire video. Now let us discuss about the process to apply through the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub portal. Step 1 is to visit the website www.wbhitcoltd.com and click on the Projects tab on menu bar. Step 2 is within the Projects tab, click on the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub line. Within this tab, you will find 4 more tabs: View Artwork, Apply Online, View UI, and View the latest tenders. In the next step, click on the Apply Online tab on the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub web page. This section will open with 3 tabs. First one, Register. This navigates to the registration page. Please remember, registration is mandatory before application. The second one is Map. This navigates us to the map view of the Bengal Silicon Valley. The third one is Apply Now. This navigates to the plot listing page. If you have any queries, send us a message at the WhatsApp number given 833-49-03379 or email us at bsvwb@wbhitco.in. Now comes the application process. Interested applicants must first register themselves before applying against any plot. To register, click on the Register button on the home screen. The registration form contains all mandatory fields. The password must contain at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, and special characters. Thereafter, once the form is filled up, the Register Now button has to be clicked. On successful registration, a verification mail and OTP will be sent to the registered email and phone number respectively. If the verification mail is not found in the inbox of the recipient's email, then please check your spam folder. On clicking on the Verify button in the verification mail, the applicant is taken to the OTP validation screen, where the OTP received in the registered mobile number has to be entered. On successful validation of the OTP, the registration process is completed. A mail and SMS will be sent to the registered email ID and mobile number respectively. Once registered, the application process can now start. The applicant must first log in to start the application process. Post login, application is possible through 4 different means. Clicking on the Plots tab in section 1 of the website. 2. Clicking on the Map tab in section 1 of the website. 3. Clicking on the Map tab in section 2 of the website. And lastly, clicking on Apply Now tab in section 2. All these tabs we spoke about navigate either to the plot listing view or map view of the Bengal Silicon Valley. Applicant can apply by selecting a plot on either of the views visible. On clicking on the Apply Now tab, a checklist of mandatory documents is displayed. Applicant is strongly advised to keep all these documents ready prior to starting the application process. Next, on clicking Proceed to Application, applicant will be navigated to a form where all the organization details of the applicant's organization will have to be filled up. Once this form is filled up, clicking on the Next Step button will automatically save the data entered and navigate to the next and final step, which is uploading of all relevant documents. All these documents include PAN card of company, company profile, concept note or project proposal, and cancel check. What is a concept note? The concept note is a report where the organization will lay out their plans and proposals concerning how they are going to utilize the plot if it is allotted to them. Why upload the cancel check again? In such a case, where the desired plot is allotted to the applicant and the EMD amount is paid, but later due to certain reasons the allotment is cancelled, the EMD will be returned to the applicant through the account in the cancel check. The last step in the application process is, after all documents have been uploaded, the application can be submitted by clicking on the Submit button. On submission, a confirmation mail and SMS will be sent to the registered email and mobile number respectively. In case the Submit tab is not clicked and the applicant wishes to submit later, the same application can be available in the dashboard in draft status. This means the applicant can view all applications and their status through the dashboard. Once an application is submitted, it will be made available for viewing to WB HITCO authorities. An initial scanning of the data entered and the attachments will be done by the transaction advisor. If all the details and documents are in order, then the application will be forwarded to an expert panel set up for the purpose. As per the availability of the members of the expert panel, each applicant whose application has passed initial scanning will be assigned a date on which they have to make a presentation in front of one or more members of the expert panel. The presentation might be face-to-face or over video conferencing, depending upon the availability of the expert panel members. The expert panel will decide in turn if the plot is to be allotted to the applicant depending upon the presentation and the concept notes uploaded initially. If the expert panel ratify the application, an UPC or a unique project code will be sent to the applicant's email ID. The applicant can now pay the EMD of INR 25 lakhs against the application. To pay the EMD, the applicant can log in to the BSP portal and navigate to the dashboard. In the detail section of the application, an input field will now show where the UPC has to be entered. On verification that the UPC is correct, the applicant will be redirected to the payment gateway. Now let's discuss the 4 payment options available to us to make payments. Option 1. This option is for SBI account holders who wish to pay via net banking. Option 2. This option is for others apart from SBI bank holders who wish to pay via net banking again. Option 3. In this option, a challan is generated which the applicant can download and then pay to bank through RTGS. The option is for those who wish to pay through banks other than SBI. Option 4. It is the same as option 3, except it is for those who wish to pay through SBI account. The payment reconciliation of all 4 options is online. Even when paid via challan, the status of payment will be available online after the stipulated time has passed. Payment status will be available in the applicant's dashboard against the application. It is to be noted that the payment status might not be available immediately and might show as pending for some time, 40 minutes to some hours, especially if the payment was made from a non-SBI account. The online process ends with the payment of EMD. For the process or next payment steps are not a part of the current system. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you were able to understand the process for applying for plots at the Bengal Silicon Valley Tech Hub. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for watching other videos related to new projects of WB HITCO. Namaskar.